Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Musa from the Winx clip in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles, this one, and you're going to color it black and combine it with this bangs and also this one. And then you're going to put on this necklace and make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and you're going to put on this tiara from the VIP room. And you're going to color it with this color, and you're going to put on this item and you're going to color it the same color as your skin tone color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this corset, and for the first selection I'm going to make it this color, the same color with my skin tone color. And the next one, I'm going to apply this color, and for the next selection I'm going to make it this color, the same as my skin tone color. And for the ribbon I'm going to make it this color, and for the last one I'm going to make it this color. Alright, and then we're going to make the material glitter. Alright, done. And then I'm going to put on this butterfly top, and I'm going to make it this color, this orange color. I'm going to make it glitter. Alright, and let's move to the next area. I'm going to go to the changing room, and I'm going to choose item from the coats item. I'm going to select this dress, and I'm going to choose toggle 3. Okay, and for the color I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, the second selection, and the third selection I'm going to make it this pink color, fourth selection, and for the last selection make it this color. Okay, this color. And then I'm going to choose this top from the Madoka set. I'm going to remove the lace, details, undershirt, bow, and gem. Okay, and then for the color, just make it this color for the first selection, and also the second selection, I'm going to make it this pink. Okay, and then we're going to make it glitter. And I'm going to put on this Myra heels, and I'm going to make it violet and apply this color for the first selection, the second selection, and the third selection. Okay guys, and then I'm going to go to the skirt area. I forgot to add something from here. Okay, I'm going to choose this ballerina skirt, and I'm going to select toggle 2, and we're going to make it this color, and again we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and sorry for my glitter guys, because sometimes the glitter is not working. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room, and I'm going to put on the wings. You can combine two wings like this, and you're going to color it with the orange color and yellow color. Okay guys, for the wings you can color it like this. Guys, sorry, I forgot one item from here. You can put on this gloves, and I'm going to remove the fur. And for the color I'm going to make it this pink. And then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Musa from the Winx Club in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!